Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.0 GLC 300d AMG Line Premium Plus G-Tronic 4MATIC. This vehicle is a diesel automatic, it is ULEZ compliant and is finished in hyacinth red metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 20-inch AMG 5 wide-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the hyacinth red metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest for either passenger, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely black leather upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle features an electronic panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are both electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, allowing you to find a comfortable position and then save it. And as well as this, both front seats are also heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 24,711 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. This vehicle also features configurable ambient lighting, allowing you to pick a colour, whether this is a multiple colour or perhaps a single colour, and adjust the brightness, making the interior of the vehicle that bit more personal to you. This vehicle also features a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing into those difficult parking situations so much easier than before. Moving to your climate control, you do in fact have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature as well as airflow direction and easily adjust the airflow. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz GLC 2.0 GLC 300d AMG Line Premium Plus G-Tronic 4MATIC that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.